Come with me for a solo date. Hello! So, nandito tayo sa Eastwood. Hinahanap natin yung bowling area. And, let's see, hanapan natin. Actually, parang kung saan bowling area. Hindi ko na alam guys kung nasan yung Eastwood. So, I started my day with going to church. And right now, mag-solo date tayo. Oh my god, nakakahiya. This is my first time filming in public, guys. So, cheer me up. Okay, I can't find it. Oh, let me see. My loss. I don't wanna use my phone because I'm holding my camera right now. So, it's gonna be a struggle if I hold my phone. So, maybe let's just ask. Bills. Lunch. Excuse me po, saan po yung Paeng's Bowling?
Sa third floor, ma'am, ng mall. Bali, may escalator dyan, ma'am. Akyat po kayo.
Third floor, thank you.
Punta ka tagad. Ano, dito.
Okay, I just asked as an introvert person. So, punta tayo sa third floor. Okay, we found the entrance. Stay with me. So, ito siya, guys. Ooh. So, dito kayo papasok. So, pasok kayo dito. And, hanapin nyo yung third floor. So, dito siya. Third floor, third floor. Ayan, sabi. Escalator. Oh my god, guys! Sa una lang pala nakakahiya mag-film. Like, guys, to be honest, this is my first time filming in public. Like, I don't care. Kanina nag-video ako habang nag-ask kay ate. Like, okay lang. She doesn't care. Like, oh my god. So, nasa second floor na tayo. Now, hanapin natin yung third floor. Oh my god, this is fun. I love this. Kasi I used to use my phone for Google Maps. And right now, I can't use my phone kasi nga, I'm holding my camera. And my camera is small. And I can't use it because I'm holding this one. I came from CCF, so... Okay, it's not here. Third floor. Oh my god, I'm so excited! I feel like there's a lot of things you can do here in Eastwood. Fourth walk. Let's go to the third floor. I'll keep you posted, guys, pag hanap ko na. So yun, nasa second floor na tayo. Wait. Guys, saan yung escalator pa third floor? Ah, dito. Thank you. Nasa papasok kayo ng mall. And then, nadadaanan nyo to. Guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I don't have any camera. I don't have any microphone right now because I forgot it. And that's okay. If hindi marinig, mag-voice over na lang ako. But that's sad if you guys can't hear me. Pero I believe, nagamit ka na rin naman kasi itong instant. So this is the struggle kapag nag-vlog in public and then you're walking, you're trying to find something. And it's not here, guys. Guys, mali si ate. Sabi niya third floor, fourth floor pala. But that's okay. At least nahanap natin. So, ito siya. Ayan. So, ka-level niya yung mga sinim. Oh my god, ito na. Pag akyat mo na elevator, ito na agad siya. Ayan. So, ano po yan?
Peach mango with lemon. Mga smoothies po pala siya, ma'am. This one's peach mango with lemon. And
Ano po ito?
coconut
Juice?
smoothies po siya. Para siyang shake po. Then, mga real fruit po yung gamit namin. Wala po kaming nilalagay na powder po.
Sarap.
Then, sa sugar niya naman po, ayan po, 75%. Pwede pong zero sugar, 25-50. Ganyan po.
Ang sarap na ito.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
May mga yogurt based din po pala kami.
Sige, pabalik po ako. Magbo-bowling lang po.
Okay.
Thank you. Dito pala yung entrance, guys. So, ito siya. Ayan.
Frames po siya, 20 rows.
Ah, okay. Isa lang. So, isang game lang tayo, guys. So, we got the shoes. Tayo. Hanapin na natin yung lane 1. Oh, lane 1! Sa dulo tayo, guys. Oh my God. This is my first time doing this. So, papalit muna tayo. Oh my God, ang bita. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but magpapalit na tayo shoes. Kasya lang siya sa akin. Oh my God, kinakabahan ako. Feeling ko nanonood muna ako ng mga tips and tricks. Kailangan niya mag-sign in. So, just one. This is holiday. Next. Kailangan niya mag-picture, guys. Dito na ba? Ang hirap naman. Wala yun na suo. Oh my God! Okay na yan. Ano to? Okay na yan. Hello? Guys, medyo mabigat siya. Mabigat siya, promise. So, sa 260 pesos nyo, meron na kayo 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Meron na kayo 8 balls. So, one game lang yung 260. Kasama na din yung sa shoes. So, first ball is a fail. It's okay, it's our first time. So let's try the rest. The rest of the ball. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still have 7 balls. So dapat makaano tayo. Guys, fail. Wala man ako natamaan kayo this,
Mga galiwag ka na, galiwag siya na.
Nakita nyo? Oh, ano yun? Ano, ang galing ko, te. Then I forward natin. Super, laki ng mukha ako nakakaiya. Like, what the fuck? Ay, naku, alam ko lang ganyan. So, meron pang dalawa. Di ko nakikita niya, pero dalawa pa. And ito pa yung box natin. So, nag-reset na siya. It's okay. And guys, may mga sizes pa na siya. May small at small. So, pili kayo ng mga size. Yung dapat fit lang sa daliri niya, hindi kayo mahirapan. Ito siya. Pwede na. Sa backpack. Wala, nag-reset siya, B. Okay, ulit. Lalaban natin to. Wala, nasa gitna siya! Ah! Shit, may dalawa pa. Okay. Let's see. Okay, nandiyan pa yung dalawa. Lalaban natin. Ah! Ang bobo. Let's see.
Pag daw binibigyan na mamalak.
Ayan, nag-reset na naman siya. Gitna, girl. Gitna. Why the heck? There's two. Lagi may two. Kailangan scoreboard. Ito yung scoreboard natin. Bumabalik yung bola dito. Let's see. Ay! Guys, this is so fun! This scoreboard natin. Kita talaga yung mga ko dyan. Parang tama. Walang pala yung dali. Guys, sinasabi ko yung mga kay nagagawa ko. Kaya sa, nabaited na naman siya, let's go.
Bukang tamak eh. Kaya na tayo bracket eh. Nagtalo ko na yung kuya Paus. Okay na, basta mo kabali sa akin.
Guys, napatumba ko lahat pero dalawang bola. So, ang goal is na lang. So, I think yung isang game, magtatagal siya ng 10 to 15 minutes. Isang game siya. So, isang game is 260. So far, na-enjoy natin. And nakakapagod kasi ang bigat niya. So, ayan siya. Girl, tayo pala mag-bowling. So, after nyo guys, kailangan nyo itong ibalik. Thank you. Ayan, may mga pizza receipt. And guys, may billiard din sila. So, it is so much fun. I love it. So, our next agenda, I'm gonna look for something to eat. Not a heavy meal, but like a snack lang. So, ano ba magandang, masarap na, maganda? Maganda, hindi masarap. So, paglabas nyo guys, meron na mga ano dito, snacks. What? I don't like the food. What about chorizo? It's so quiet here now. So, nasa cinema area tayo. But I was just looking for food. So, let's see. Oh, it's close here. Maybe I'll just gonna sit and look for food. You guys are looking for solo date idea na less than 500 pesos, you can try bowling guys. It's so much fun. Akala ko boring siya kasi mag-isa lang ako and solo date nga. Kasi diba pag bowling, usually ginagawa siya ng mga friends, family, couple, like that. But I enjoyed this solo date so much kasi parang it makes me feel active and ang saya-saya kapag na-hit mo yung mga ano bang tawag doon? Pag na-hit mo yung dapat mong i-hit sa bowling. Yung mga nakatayo, what do you call that? I forgot, sorry. And guys, if you're looking for less than 500 pesos, this you must try it, guys. Less than 500 lang. I feel like I'll make a series na solo date for less than 500 pesos para naman lahat makarelate. And kapag na-stress ka na and you want to do solo date kasi alam naman natin guys na not every time free yung family natin, free yung friends natin, or free yung boyfriend mo or yung partner mo. Kasi guys, adulting and we have a lot. Parang sa calendar natin, 'di ba? Not everyone is free all the time. So, kung gusto mo talaga mag-unwind, mag-solo date, kahit nga may partner ka, tapos yung partner mo busy sa work, sa business, busy sa life, or sa family matters, ganyan, you can do solo date. And, ang saya niya guys, sobra. Parang, mas makikilala mo yung sarili mo. So, ang mga nagsasolo date, hindi lang dahil single sila or what, but also, yun nga, kasi nga hindi free yung family, hindi free yung partner. So, you must try this, guys. Let me know what should I try next. And guess what? Alam niyo ba kung saan ako nag-film? Sa labas. Look. Nandito ako sa cinema. Parang nasa waiting area ako ng Eastwood. And guys, this is my first time filming in the public talaga. As in, I'm super shy. I'm introvert. Can you believe it? Salesperson ako pero mahihain ako. As in, lahat ng sales ko talaga more on online. And never akong nagka-sales ng in-person kasi girl, introvert ang ate mo. And, pero guys, like, who cares? Diba? So, kung naghanap ka ng sign na mag-solo date and mag-vlog in public, why not? Guys, I recommend Insta360 talaga kasi it's super small lang na hindi siya mapapansin. And parang dito sa Pilipinas, very common na yung mga nagvo-vlog. Parang wala na silang paki guys. Saka, to be honest, wala talaga silang paki. Kasi sino ba naman ako, diba? They don't really care guys, to be honest. Ang bilis mag-charge. So, let's see. This is, currently, itong Insta360 ko is 7% na lang. Pero nag-film pa ako neto ha. Dala ko tong power bank. Never akong binigo nito. Na-charge ko Insta360 ko yung iPhone ko. Alam niyo naman pag iPhone, medyo mas mabilis siyang malobat. Ayun. To end our solo date, pwede tayo maglakad-lakad dito sa may Eastwood. Sobrang ganda ng vibe dito, guys. As in, daming palights. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung area. Actually, guys, hindi talaga ako nagugutom today. Kaya, hindi na ako kumain. So, mag-iikot-ikot lang tayo bago tayo umuwi. Galing na ako doon. So, pupunta tayo sa kabilang side just to end the solo date. And then after noon, uuwi na tayo kasi malapit lang ako dito guys. Kaya kung nasa Manila area kayo, Quezon City, perfect. Oh. Kaya punta tayo dyan sa side na yan. Oh my god, tawiran na. Power mo. Hindi tayo papagludash.
Bye.
Sarap lang yung sa SNR, kahit matapit beses. Mukhang dito rin. Naling yung SNR. Ngayon malayo.
Ayan. Perfect. Perfect. diba? Just perfect place to... Hi! Cute.
Magkakalikuran kayo. Ay, there you go.
See? Ang cute. So, mga pwedeng gawin dito. So, after bowling, you can walk here. Or magala-gala lang, tumambay. So, ito yung view. Ayan. So, libre lang siya, guys. Hello! Ano siya, guys? Kasi pet friendly. I think nag-fountain to before, but I guess it's not working now. Diba? See guys, it doesn't have to be expensive. So the bowling is 260 pesos and walking is free. Diba? You can enjoy na there's bench. Ay. There's bench. There's a lot of bench here. So you can just bring food kung natitipid kayo. Or you can just have coffee. Diba? May fountain. So, dito area na to, hindi masyadong crowded. Oh my God, what happened? Yeah. So, that's it for our solo date vlog. So, let me know guys kung meron kayong suggestion for my next solo date. Pero meron ako mga list ng gusto kong gawin. Pero this is great kasi I didn't spend much. It's just super affordable. Just, again, just the 260 pesos and I just walk here. Pero madadagdagan siya kung gusto nyong kumain or what. Kasi kumain ako kanina, kaya di na ako kumain today or ngayon. So, it's okay. And magbubuk na ako pa uwi, guys. Malapit lang ako dito, so it's just cost around 50 pesos. So, less than 500 pesos lang talaga siya. So, yun lang. Bye!